Welcome. You have just entered the world of Next OEM, the high-tech accelerator for late-phase startups. We have the ambition to grow the number of large original equipment manufacturers by combining breakthrough technology with inspiring entrepreneurship and smart capital. Dutch companies and institutes of higher learning in the high-tech sector are renowned for their technological excellence and are among the world's best in their market segments and niches. We have a global perspective, but are founded in Brainport, Eindhoven, in the southeast of the Netherlands, home ground of famous Dutch technological entrepreneurs. It's a region with a great legacy, and thanks to our world-changing entrepreneurial forefathers and current global technology market leaders, it is also a region with a great future, thanks to our new young high-tech companies with brilliant ideas and technologies. We see that new high-tech products and systems play a substantial role in solving major global societal challenges in the areas of mobility, health, renewable energy, security, and climate change. Next OEM aspires to accelerate the growth of your young high-tech industrial company. Our acceleration program and network will support a maximum of 10 companies annually to bridge the valley of death and to step up to become part of the next international high-tech elite. Your company is a market shaper in a specific application domain with its own products, services, and market channels. It has passed the startup phase, and you are ready and ambitious to let it grow from a substantial company to a great OEM. If you have passed proof of concept and preferably landed your first launching customer, we will boost your business by professional industrialization, internationalization, business planning, intellectual property protection, and financing. We offer you an inspiring 6-month journey with challenging mentors. A tailor-made acceleration agenda will add to a program of master classes, workshops, an international trip, and peer review sessions with fellow participants. As integral parts of this program, Next OEM offers you a guaranteed access to the leading high-tech investment community, world-class supply base, and a pool of dedicated professional service firms. Together with a team of international experienced and dedicated high-tech entrepreneurs and seasoned investors, we bring out the best in your venture and make it grow to become a future technology leader, ready to improve health and well-being all over the world. Next OEM requires no upfront fee, but likes to share in the success of your company when it grows from under 10 million euro to over 100 million euro in 5 to 10 years' time through a 1% share. Are you ready to step up? Join us. Next OEM. Be a part of the new high-tech elite.